Hello and welcome to my channel. For this tutorial, I've already cut out all the fabric pieces needed for the ruffle headband. This is 40 by 7 inches, this is 15 by 3 inches, and this is 14 by 2 inches. Stitch the main piece and the elastic casing on the sewing machine. Now that I'm through with the stitching, the next thing to do is to turn both to the right sides. Insert the inner piece into the main piece. Secure both edges of the ruffle with pins. At this point, you can as well stitch the ruffle at both ends. Insert your elastic into the elastic casing. Wrap the elastic casing with the main piece at both ends and secure with pins. Stitch both ends on the sewing machine. After stitching both ends, you can bond the edges to prevent fraying of the fabric. Now the headband is ready. This is how it will look on the head. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've not done so. Bye.